Hello everyone, I'm Pratik Oswal, Head of Passive Funds at Motilal Oswal Asset Management Company. I hope all of you had a very good Diwali and hope you have a great New Year as well. So today I'm here to talk about a new fund launch that the mutual fund company is launching, and I'm extremely excited to talk about the fund that we're launching based on the success that we've had in our international funds, specifically our very famous NASDAQ 100 ETF and FOF, as well as the S&P 500 index fund. We are now launching a third fund, which is now a non-US fund. So both of our first funds were focused in the US. Today we're launching, extremely excited to launch a developed markets index fund, which is going to be focused on a lot of countries outside the US. So what is this fund? It's called the Motilal Oswal MSCI Top 100 Select Index Fund. So it's essentially an index fund that invests into the top 10 countries outside the US and the top 100 companies within that. So we are giving access to investors to some of the best names, the best brands, the best companies outside the US. And we do believe that this fund is essential for your portfolio diversification needs. You know, I have said this before that India is only 3% of the entire global GDP. And we are missing out on 97 to 98% of wealth creation opportunities outside of India. And this fund gives you access to a part of the planet that makes 30% of entire market share of the world. So I do believe, and so the main reason to why you should invest in this fund is to diversify your Indian portfolio. And we all know that the US is a great story, but it's also important to look at other parts of the world as well, which is where this fund comes in. You are investing in brands like Nestle, Roche, AstraZeneca, Sony, Louis Vuitton, and some of the best companies, best brands in Europe, UK, and Japan. And we believe that this fund can be extremely effective for portfolio diversification. It can be extremely helpful to lower the risk in your portfolio, and to also have a portfolio that's geographically diversified, which can get you really good returns over the long term. So thank you so much. Looking forward to all your support in this fund, and please stay tuned for a lot more funds coming in from the Motilal Oswal Fund House. Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.